Meaning of mania.
Mania. Mania.
Part of speech noun. Definitions. 1. Excessive enthusiasm or excitement, often of a short-lived or irrational nature, for something. 2. A strong and obsessive desire or enthusiasm for something. Examples. 1. The new video game sparked a mania among gamers worldwide. 2. The artist's latest album sparked a mania among fans, with many attending multiple concerts. Part of speech noun psychiatry. Definitions. 1. A mental disorder characterized by periods of great excitement or euphoria, often accompanied by delusions or hallucinations. 2. A form of bipolar disorder, characterized by episodes of mania or hypomania. Examples. 1. The patient was diagnosed with bipolar disorder, with frequent episodes of mania. 2. The doctor monitored the patient's medication to prevent mania during the treatment. Part of speech. Suffix-forming nouns. Definitions. 1. A suffix forming nouns that denote a passion or obsession for something. Examples. 1. Bibliomania is a common affliction among book collectors. 2. Nymphomania is a controversial and potentially misleading term.
Mania. Mania.